So, you're finished writing that juicy fan work and are ready to upload it to AO3. But how do you do so? Well, here's a step by step guide for you to follow to share your work with the world. The first and most important step is to create an account. To do this, you'll need to get an invitation. Check out the first video in our AO3 Explainers playlist for a tutorial. Once you've created an account, you can upload your fan work using the post button in the top right corner of your screen. Next, you're going to select New Work. This will bring up the framework for posting up a new work. If at any point throughout this tutorial you are confused about what something means, the question mark icon next to most titles will provide you with more context for that input box. On this framework, there are 6 sections, the first one being titled Tags. Here you must input the rating of your fan work, choose to or not to warn for common heavy topics, should your work involve any on the list, and select the fandom your work belongs to. Then you can optionally input the fanworks category, relationships involved, characters included, and add any additional tags. We would recommend you do this as it will help more people discover your work. The next section is the preface. Here you must input the work's title and can choose to publish it under a pseudonym, add co-creators, include a work summary, and have an author's note at the beginning and or the end. We recommend that you include a summary as it acts like a blurb for people to read when searching for fan works. The rest is completely optional. Next is the Associates section. Here you must input the main language of the work and can choose to post your work to a collection or challenge, gift the work to someone, state if the work was inspired by, is a remix, or is a translation of another work, state if it is part of a series or has multiple chapters, choose to set a different publication date to the day you upload it, and choose a custom work skin for your work. We recommend that if your work does have multiple chapters, you tick the box saying so, as this will help you add multiple chapters. The rest is completely optional. The privacy section is next. Here you can choose whether only registered users can view your work, enable comment moderation, and say who can comment on your work. This is all completely optional. The second to last section is the work text section. Here is where you can input your fan work. There are 2 ways to do this, through HTML and rich text formatting. RTF for short. When uploading via HTML, you will need to use HTML to format your text. When uploading through RTF, you can use the menu to format your text. The final section on the framework is the post section. Here, you can preview what your fan work will look like and proofread it for any mistakes. Then, when you are ready, you can post your work. That's it. Your writing is available for the world to see. What fandoms are you planning to post for? Let us know in the comments. Have fun publishing!